Hi friends, in today's video we are going to fix this Emacs tinyhawk AIO. So what happened to this is it took a bath in a pool. Now all 4 ESCs are working except for this one. These MOSFETs are broken. Let me zoom in. As you can see, they are broken, so we are going to replace those. We are going to add flux. Like this. And we are going to heat it up slowly. There we go. First MOSFET is out. Second is out. Nice. I'm gonna clean the area from flux. There we go. Now what we are going to do is to add solder paste like this, and we are going to add the 2 new MOSFETs. So first should be on, and now second. There we go. Now we are going to solder the chips. There we go. First is good and second is now good. Okay, so now we successfully soldered the 2 MOSFETs. I'm gonna have to clean up these solder blobs right here, and we are done. Thank you for watching and have a great day.